Day 5 in this motherfucker. Whoa, whoa. Hit the dab bar. Protect your peace. Stay dangerous. So I went on Twitch today to see what all the hype was about. Like, you know, what's the difference between Twitch and YouTube? Pretty interesting. Here I am, floating around the room. Something different. POV. Check this out. So there's a few things I like to change though. There's a few things I gotta change up. I gotta work on my lighting and the camera movement. You're not supposed to move the camera so much. I guess I was getting, just having a little fun with it.